Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Ken, if you guys are new here. So today we're going to go to a Thai Hotpot restaurant. So I was invited by Jheffy. So he is a food lifestyle Instagrammer. So I'll leave a link down in the description box down below. And he also has a YouTube channel where he does reaction videos. So definitely check him out. So this is the makeup that I've got. I just use the Morphe, like the warm palette. I'll leave the name on the screen, and some Nikia Joy lashes. Yeah, so it's fairly tamed, I feel. So yeah, we're gonna go there, try out some Thai Hotpot. I've never had Thai Hotpot before. I've had Korean, I've had Chinese, and I think I've had Vietnamese Hotpot. So this is going to be a new experience for me. As you guys know, I don't really go to a lot of like food things, so whenever it does pop up, I'm like, yes, because I like to try out food. I'm not very adventurous, but you know, I'll try it. Alright guys, so we're here at Jiyu and we have got Jheffy here. It's first time meeting like in person, I know, right? I'll link his channel and his Instagram down in the description box down below. Alright, I had to swap seats because this lovely lady over here, she can't handle the heat. I'll leave everyone's links and everything down in the description box down below. I'm loving this light. It's like very nice soft lighting. It's making my eye bags disappear. So I'm here for it. Alright, camera's rolling. Introduce yourself.
Hi, hey, it's me, Jheffy. Hey, it's Jheffy.
And we've got D here.
Hi, it's D. Follow me on Instagram, it's DB, and I'm your influencer. Wannabe.
Go for it, go.
Hi, I am Zandria, or aka Maria, that's what you know. And I'm here today.
Well, she's got the whole lounge to herself.
I'm about to eat all this by myself.
All this, hun. Where did she put it away?
Yeah.
Seriously.
Mukbang time.
Nice time, guys.
Yes. What we do have the hot pot now, and the seafood in there. Veggies. And I'm not sure if it's already cooked.
I don't think the vegetables are cooked yet. We might wait a few minutes.
Yeah. It's gonna be exciting. We actually have tom yum soup, this orange one, and this one's the white sauce Thai.
If you like white, go for this one.
It's a fish sauce, is it?
Fish sauce, I
Yeah.
think so, yeah.
So Ken's so excited to try this stuff.
Duh.
Look, and he's cooking.
Dee's like taking over the vlog, so I'm just gonna chill here and eat.
We need some vlogs.
I'm actually the tripod. So hang on guys, and I'll show you some more. 1 second. So we got the meat over here. So we got like squid balls, fish balls. I think that's a fish. And this is some ham, meat. I think this is pork. And this looks like luncheon meat.
Which one?
It's one.
Oh yeah, put some.
Maling, yeah. Maling is Maling style. Philo style.
Luncheon meat.
Now you're luncheon meat. I'm gonna eat this. I know some people get really weirded out when I eat stuff like this, but I mean, girl. Oh, it's very hot.
Look at these guys. Everyone's just so busy eating as well as on their phones because it's a job.
I like how Dee's just taken over the vlog.
Yeah, how do you like it? Yeah.
One day when I get like
get a
really
camera.
famous, you can be like my assistant. I'll hire you.
I'll be fine with that. I'll be fine behind the cameras. Look, we got a special what's that? Dessert
I have no idea what it is.
From the house.
It's like
But
super
gonna-
wiggly.
Yeah, a little bunny.
So what should we do? The head or the butt?
The baby bunny. Baby bunny.
Alright, let's go for the butt.
Okay, you try.
Let's
Okay.
go for the butt.
Ouch. That hurts. Okay. Mukbang.
Parang siyang puto.
Puto.
Almost, but like softer. Almost. It's like consistency parang puto.
Wow. Interesting.
For those of you guys that speak Spanish, puto doesn't mean like puta. It's actually like food.
True, true. Puto is like a rice cake from the Philippines. We're so happy we actually realized that we do have a
Girl, you have to cook that, huh?
oyster. We need to cook.
Yeah. I was about to. I asked you.
Alright, so it's the next day. So it was so much fun hanging out with everyone yesterday, and Jiyu Hotpot was so good. It was so delicious, and I remember looking at the prices and I was thinking like that is a really, it's like great value for money. So if you guys are looking for a hot pot place and you guys want to try out Thai Hotpot, definitely check them out. I'll leave as much as I can, like detail wise, down in the description box down below for them. But yeah, I have been quite productive this day. Like, yeah, I woke up pretty early. Today's my partner's first day back at uni, so I'm here alone. It's my day off. So I've just really been trying to, sorry, like I said before, I live in an area where planes, helicopters always go past, so it's very noisy here sometimes. Yeah, it's the first day at uni, and I thought I would just try and be productive, do some cooking, some cleaning. I've been doing a little bit of social media. I'm going to do a little bit more of that, but I'm also going to be dyeing my hair. I'm going to go lighter. Now that my hair sort of like faded to this color, I kind of feel like it looks nice, but I kind of miss the lighter blonde, so I think I'm going to try and do that today. I don't know how successful I'm going to be, just because I've got a little bit more regrowth than usual. But yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to edit a couple of Instagram videos and maybe a YouTube video while I'm in there, because usually for the level of blonde that I'm going to go for, it normally takes me like 2 hours, 2 hours and a half to do it, so I might as well do some work while I'm waiting. What is up, guys? So it is now Saturday, and my partner and I went to the post office to grab a couple of things because we were busy the whole weekend. No one was home for the mail. So let's start off first with the first package from Makeup Revolution, or Revolution as they're now called. Yeah, they sent me a lot. So they sent me the glycolic acid toner, which is what I wanted to try out anyway, so I'm really happy that I've got that. So I use the glycolic toners on my body as well, because I do suffer from body acne, and I'm sorry if it's a bit noisy. You've got the aircon on. It's currently 26 degrees, but apparently it's going to be really hot today. And then we also have the niacinamide toner. I've got my hair in it already. Yeah, got that. We've got some essence water, which I'm a bit confused what they're supposed to do. I'll look into it. We've got a hyaluronic one, we've got a niacinamide one as well, and then we've got a couple of serums. Like, there's so many serums, so many variations. They've got a vitamin C serum, they've got a niacinamide serum, so all of them have like little blurbs as to what they do for your skin. We've got a night restore serum, helps reduce the texture, or helps to promote the appearance of skin's natural radiance, helps to restore the skin's natural skin texture. And then there's the blemish defense serum, and then they also have the dark spot corrector, which also has vitamin C, so I'm not really sure what the difference between this and the pure vitamin C one is. I'm sure there is. And the Bakuchiol serum, I don't know how to pronounce that. And then we also have the hyaluronic overnight hydrating mask as well. So yeah, thank you so much to Bastion Effect and Makeup Revolution. I keep saying Makeup Revolution, for sending this package over. And then the second package is a hair one. So this one was sent to me by I-Glamour Dateline Imports. So they have a new brand called Design Me. Well, it's a new brand to me. It's called Design Me. So they sent me their Puff Me Volumizing shampoo and conditioner. let's take a second to appreciate the packaging. It is so cute. And because they know I like curling my hair, they also sent me the curl balm. So this one is the Bounce Me Curl Balm, and yeah, it's so cute. I can't wait to try it out. I haven't curled my hair in a hot minute, so I might do that with this new hair color as well. And then they also sent me the Gloss Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. Yeah, just because it has like cannabis in it, I was like, ooh, that looks interesting. But this is a hair serum, so it promotes shine, strengthens, and protects the hair. So I'll see how that goes. If you guys would like me to do any review on any of these particular products, definitely let me know, and I'll, you know, allocate time and like really test it out on myself. Tomorrow my partner and I are going to go to a restaurant. I've been invited to a couple of like restaurant food things, like I've become a food blogger. I'm not complaining because I like food. So we're going to this place called Infused Camberwell tomorrow. So I'll be vlogging as well, and I'll show you guys what the food's like. So stay tuned for the next vlog. I'm trying to be a little bit more active in terms of vlogging, so hopefully the next vlog is not going to be too far away. But yeah, there you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.